The resilient farm of Adedayo village. In a lush green village of Adedayo in southwestern Nigeria lived Adebisi, a hardworking and ambitious farmer. She was a black Nigerian woman known for her warmth, resilience, and unwavering determination. Her animals thrive under her care, producing abundantly and gaining a reputation for their health and quality. Her farm became the pride of the village. Adebisi's dedication was evident in how she spent her days feeding her animals, ensuring the environment was clean, and learning better farming techniques. The act of malice. One fateful morning, as Adebisi walked to her farm, she noticed something was wrong. Some of her animals, 25 in total, lay lifeless. Her heart sank as she inspected them. Her once vibrant goats, sheep, chickens had succumbed to what she soon discovered was poisoned. The catfish in one of her ponds also appeared strangely affected. Devastated, she wept, not just for the loss of her animals, but for the malice that had crept into the hearts of those she considered neighbors. Adebisi quickly reported the matter to the village elders, a council respected for their wisdom and fairness. Justice served. The elders took the case seriously and convened a meeting with the entire community. Adebisi presented a case backed by evidence and called on the villagers to unite against such wickedness. After a thorough investigation, the perpetrators, three farmers consumed by envy, were identified. The elders condemned their actions as shameful and harmful to the unity of the village. They were ordered to compensate Adebisi for the loss with twice the value of the poisoned animals and to publicly apologize. As part of the punishment, they were also banned from selling their own farm produce in the local market for 6 months, ensuring they felt the consequences of their actions. A turnaround. With the compensation she received, Adebisi invested in new animals and expanded her farm. Her animals began to strive once more, producing even more abundantly than before. The villagers, inspired by her resilience, rallied around her, offering support and celebrating her determination. Within a short time, Adebisi's farm became more prosperous than ever. She not only sold her animals and fish to nearby towns, but also began teaching other farmers modern farming techniques. Her story became a symbol of resilience and justice in Adedayo village. A thriving future. Adebisi farm flourished and also did her finance. She used her newfound wealth to support her community, building a small school for children and funding clean water projects. Her generosity and strength transformed her from a successful farmer into a beloved leader. Through it all, Adebisi proved that no act of malice could dim the light of someone driven by hard work and purpose. She stood as a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of a united community. Lesson learned from this video: resilience over challenges. Adebisi's ability to rebuild her farm after devastating loss demonstrates that perseverance and hard work can help overcome even the most malicious setback.